Did you know you can sell ChatGPT prompts online for extra income? Not apps, not software, just text that people are willing to pay real money for. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we build simple systems that generate real income. Today, we're diving into turning ChatGPT into a small, scalable income stream. Selling prompts is one of the simplest AI side hustles you can start today. It requires no coding and no audience to begin. The key is selling prompts that actually solve problems. Businesses, freelancers, and creators need fast, reliable content creation. People are willing to pay for prompts that reliably produce good output. They are buying clarity and speed, not just words. The biggest missed insight is this: people struggle with ChatGPT because they don't know what to ask. You can fix that for them. Generic prompts don't sell. What sells are outcome-based prompts tied to a specific use case, like those for freelancing, business, or content creation. For example, you are a professional Fiverr copywriter. Write a high-converting gig description. This solves a real paid problem. Now let's look at the simple system for creating prompts that actually sell and generate consistent income. First, choose one specific audience. Focus on a single group, like freelancers, small business owners, or creators. Second, identify a painful, repetitive task that audience wants done faster. Find the problem they are desperate to solve. Third, use ChatGPT itself to refine your prompt. Use a meta prompt like "improve this prompt" so it produces consistent, professional results for beginners. Consistency is what makes it sellable. Once you have your solid, consistent prompt, let's talk about how to package and price it for maximum sales. You don't need a website. Start by selling on Gumroad or Etsy as a digital download, or use your own content like YouTube descriptions or social posts. For pricing, aim for volume. Smaller packs sell best between $5 and $9, while bundles work well between $15 and $29. Crucially, do not sell raw text. Package your prompts in a clean PDF, Notion template, or Google Doc with a short explanation and an example of the output. This instantly creates a premium product. Selling ChatGPT prompts is truly one of the easiest ways to turn your AI knowledge into passive income. No clients, no deadlines, just sales while you sleep. This is a simple path to turning your knowledge into real income. Find a problem, create a solution, and package it well. If you want a head start, download the free AI Money Starter Kit below. It includes prompt examples and a clear path to your first $50 online. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more simple systems and real income.